guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seychelle and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. I'm so sorry guys that I haven't posted a video in a while. I'm really sorry about that because I was having exams, so I had to focus on that. But for that I have brought you an amazing recipe to you all. Today we are going to be making pizza cups. It's so fun to make. It's very easy to make as well. This recipe doesn't contain yeast, so you can make it very easily. This is an easy grab snacks. You can make this at any time. You can make it a lot. You can just store it in a fridge and take it out and you can just heat them between 10 to 20 seconds. It's so fun to make. It's very easy. So make sure you're actually giving this recipe a try and make sure you watch this video till the end. And without a further ado, let's get started. Here I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. To that 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. To that 1 tablespoon of oregano I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1/2 cup of curd or yogurt. Give that a mix. Here I am adding a bit of water, about a tablespoon, or you can add as much as you need it. It should not be too hard or either be too soggy. It should be a little bit soft. I'm adding another bit of water and I'm gonna bind that really well. Now I'll add about a teaspoon of olive oil, just it should not stick to our hand. That's the reason we are adding, and give that a nice bind. Should be a little soft. Now take that into workplace and we will roll it out. Just follow the instructions as I have shown you here. Here I have a circle shaped lid. You can use any, but this for me was perfect, so I'm using this. I have cut that out into 7 pieces and I'm gonna save that little for later, which I'm gonna show you soon. Now we will use our cupcake tins today for making our pizza cup. And I will put some oil onto that so that the dough will not stick onto the pan. Leave that rest aside. So we have our cut out doughs and we will roll it out a little bit. Just to make it a little thin so that it could fit into the cupcake pan. Fold in the sides to fit it in properly. Make this for all the cups. That one I showed you with hands. You can also roll it out in the pan. It's not a big difference, but I'm just going to show you both ways. Now our cups are ready. We will do the stuffings. Here I have pizza sauce. You can also use tomato sauce, but I'm having pizza sauce today. These are store-bought, or you can make even own. So I'm just gonna use them. Here I have mozzarella cheese. You can use processed cheese or pizza cheese. You can add as much as you want. Now I'll add a bit of sauce. I'll do veg this side and chicken this side and cheesy this side. For veg side I'm gonna go for paneer These are shredded paneer. And for non-veg side, I'm gonna go with chicken sausage. These are really yummy. You can use any sausage you want. And on top, I'll be adding capsicum. And a bit of cheese onto my chicken sausage buff, so that will be very cheesy. And again on top of that, I'll be adding capsicum so that the capsicum will stick onto the pizza. And for cheesy, I'll just add cheese, and on top again I'll be adding capsicum. And here I have black olives. I love black olives so much, so I'm just gonna add that into each of them. And drizzle it with cheese so that the veggies will stick onto it when it bakes. Here I will drizzle some oreganos on top. And sprinkle some chili flakes. I'll bake this for 190 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hi Wafer, Wafer wants a bigger pizza, so let's make it. Here I have a pizza pan. Onto that I'll be adding a bit of olive oil so that the dough won't stick onto it. Here I have the leftover dough. With this we're gonna make a bigger pizza. Just spread that out with your hands. This is really easy to prepare. Now here I have the pizza sauce, or you can even add ketchup. I'll just spread that evenly. Now I'll also drizzle a bit of cheese on top. Now you can make it just how as we did separately, but then for this I'm gonna just put everything and all together, so it's gonna be a mix of veg and non-veg. I'll add paneer now. And on top of that I'll be adding capsicum. And now the black olives. Now I'll add that bit of cheese on top. I'll drizzle some oregano and chili flakes. And again bake this for 190 degrees for 25 minutes. Now that my pizza cups are ready, it's time to serve. So I hope you enjoy watching this video today. I know there is no Christmas decorations behind yet, but I will be doing it soon, also with the great recipes ahead. Already I have been sharing mini Christmas recipes in Instagram. I'll put a mini quick recipes there. Already 2 Christmas recipes already up. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow. I'll put my ID here. And if you don't have Instagram, don't worry, I'm also posting that on YouTube as well. If you haven't checked, please do check my Insta Reels playlist, and you can find all my Instagram Reels videos there. Since I didn't have time to edit my YouTube videos, so I had to post my videos on Insta Reels because it was easy for me to edit. Now that I have time, I will be posting it on YouTube frequently. So if you enjoy watching this video, please make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and also please do comment below what you expect me to do in this further videos, and please do subscribe to my channel. This motivates me to put more amazing videos, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Until then, ciao.